Hello, students and traders. Welcome to another session with the Pansy and the Pansy Pit family. So today we're going to take in a complete top-down analysis of the Euro US dollar and see how it's going and where it's going. Okay, so I'd like to start off my analysis from the monthly, so I have a very clear picture. On the monthly, what's this market doing? Let's see. Okay, on the monthly, we see that this market is in it was up here and then it was up here. That's my target. So this up move, a pullback, up move, and then all of this a pullback inside the up move until boom breaks the up move and we have a down move. Okay, so one PB down, pullback, and then the second PB down that breaks this structure. So we have two PB down. And the PB is a positive block. So two PB down on the monthly. Let's look at the weekly. Excuse me. On the weekly, what do we see? We can see that this market went was coming down for a while, then it broke up, broke down again with this broke up, and then from this broke down with here being a protected high. Okay, so that's that. It's been a protected high, and then the market breaks above it and stays high. I'm expecting to see higher highs to go above here while maintaining this low. Then it breaks the protected low, so we are one down. Okay, no, so we have protected low here, then down, pull back two, pull back three, pull back four, uh, four, pull back five, pull back six all the way down. Protected high being up here, okay, and then we have up, down, up, down, up. The protected low being at this level, then finally the market breaks through it, switching the market to a bearish perspective. Market has come back up here and we expect the market to go down, taking out this level. Okay, so we are in we are one PB down because this is our positive block, and so from here it broke through this, and this is our block. We expected the market to come back into this block, and it has done not just that, but it has gone deeper into the block. And then we refined it a little bit to give us our zone, and the market has come right into our zone and is beginning to push away. We expect this push to go all the way down to this low and possibly go beyond. So on the weekly, we are one PB down. Okay, let's look at the daily. You can see on the weekly we are bearish, so we want to look for a way to catch this bearish move and go all the way down to this point. One very quick way would have been to look to sell at this point, stop loss above here, and go all the way down. Give us about a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.4 to get out of a nice one, but that's exactly what to trade the weekly. So on another go to a smaller perspective, and let's look at the daily. On the daily, what do we have? On the daily, we can see that this market was bullish here, pullback, went bullish, protected low at this point. Then it broke through that low. Then we have a down move. You see how it went all the way. So it went down, pullback, down, pullback, down, pullback, down, all the way here. And then the market began to reverse, and the moment it got here, it had taken out the protected high. This up move, then a pullback, another up move. Okay, so on the daily, we have seen the market go bullish, and I would say this market was bullish just to enable us get into the weekly zone here, from where I expect the market to begin to drop down massively towards all of this. Okay, but before we can confirm a bearish move on the daily, we want to see the market take out this level. This is protected low on the daily. So it's only a break below this level that will confirm bearishness for us on the daily. Then we want to see a pullback, maybe to some zones up here. We come into that zone and then begin to take us all the way down to our target down here. Okay. So on the daily, we're still bullish. We're still bullish because our protected low is still intact until we break. Then we look at the pullback and then look to trade bearish. Okay, so on the daily, we are still bullish. Now let's look at what it looks. Let's see what it looks like on the 4 hour. The 4 hour, what do we have? In 4 hour, we were bullish for a while on this time frame. Let's look at it real quick. Okay, so these are perspective on the 4 hour. Okay, so we had all of this down move, down, pull back, down, pull back, down, pull back, down. Then expecting a pullback and a continuation lower, but market came and blew out a protected high with this up move, and that switched us to what's it called again? An uptrend. An uptrend. Okay, so we had one push up, pullback. The second push, anybody else pullback? No. So this is just all the way. So we what we have now on the 4 hour is one pullback, two pullback. Our protected low is somewhere here, okay, and we have it refined into this zone right here. Okay, so in a minute, let me get this clear. Our protected zone is right here on the 4 hour. This should be our protected zone. The moment the market breaks below, the market for any reason takes out this low, okay, and we are done with the bullish perspective on the 4 hour, and we'll be looking to go bearish, getting the market to pull back into some zone up here and then drop all the way to take out this low or whichever low is going to form and go all the way down in line with our weekly perspective. So that's it on the 4 hour. Let's look at what this one looks like on the 1 hour. I'll take this off because I won't get distracted by it. And let's look at the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, what do we see? All right, now if you've been with me on this pair for a while, you would have followed me up on this, followed me on this upswing, long pull back. Then okay, this was still part of the up move coming into this zone right here. Okay, and then going up, target being this level, and then it broke above it right here. Okay, this now becomes our one push up, a pull back, a push up, pull back, another push, another push, pull back, another push. Okay, with our protected low right here. Now this down move cleared out the lows and immediately switched this market from an uptrend into a downtrend. Let's zoom this in so you have a clear perspective. And first of all, I want to clear all of this. Yes. Okay, so let's narrow it in now so see how we clear picture. Okay, so we have our up move coming all the way from here, protected high, rather liquidity high above here. Okay, went through it, pulled back, protected low is here, not taken out, goes up, hits liquidity, protected low is here, doesn't break it, goes back, goes up, protected low is here, goes back, yes, we have a pullback here, goes higher at this point, protected low is here. So this was our zone. Expecting market to come in here and then push further up to take out this high and possibly create higher highs to go deeper into our weekly zone. Okay, but the market has not done that. So what the market has done has been to break through, giving us one bearish push, nice pullback, a second bearish push, nice pullback, a third bearish push, nice pullback, a fourth bearish push, and then looking at the pullback. Now, my reasons to believe that this zone is holding, but if you ask me, I want to disregard this zone because it's not a current zone, it's a past zone. So I just like to take it off completely. I don't get distracted by it. Okay. Right now we have switched from bullish perspective to a bearish perspective, and that's just what I want to do. I want to sit with the market. I don't like to trade against the market, and I'll just look for my zone right now. Okay, so push, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back, push, and there goes our zoom. Okay, so let me hold this zoom. Okay, so I have this as my zoom. Okay, so this is the entire zone. Okay, but just so you know, I like to refine my zone, so I'm going to refine it to just this one. Okay, yeah, so that'll be my zone. I'll now look for prices to come into that zone. If from which I will look to excuse me, consider taking a bearish opportunity, a bearish trade on this. But if you look real closely, you see that the market had already gotten into that zone. Okay, let's see. Last up move before the down move came back into it, pushed through. So this now might be a zone. Find it to this, but I like to just stay okay to be on the safe side. Okay, and I'm gonna set my net here. Let's say let's stay price in zone. Okay. Let's see price gets into the zone, and from there we look to catch some bearish opportunities. So that's my perspective on the Euro US dollar, and yeah, I like to hold on to it. Bearish perspective, but waiting for the market to meet my one condition, which is getting into my zone before I begin to look for possible reversals. I want to see it do something like this. Go back into this zone and then begin to push away. Then I look to trade. Maybe it does this and I pull back, another push. Then I look to trade from this point. So here, stop loss just off there and go all the way here. Give me a 1 to 5, or alternatively, I can have my target go all the way down to the weekly target, which would give me about 1 to 85. Okay, maybe 1 to 85. I'm really excited to take this trade and go all the way down, make some profit on this. And yeah, not forgetting to manage my trade as the market goes, lock in profit, break even, and just as the market progresses, it progresses. So that's our perspective on this. Share your thoughts. Let's know what you think about this. Drop a comment and let's study the markets together. All right.